streaming. There we go. Pop out chat. There it is. Stream health. Excellent. Beautiful. Docs. Custom docs. Apply. Close. Where is YouTube chat? Go to this link instead. And YouTube chat's also connected. Lovely. Beautiful. Alright, so as I was saying earlier before I got really interrupted by my crappy internet, so you can see here on all the pound pairs that we've been overall been pushing down for most of them, right? You can say the opposite for pound yen, I suppose. However, overall, if you look at the trend overall in the market, that we have been pushing down a lot since, you know, these highs over here, create higher lows, and then lower highs, sorry, and lower highs over here. So, however, what you can see here though is this exhaustion candle over here. It shows that potentially this huge wick could potentially show that the market might might be a bit exhausted when it comes to these sellers over here. The sellers might have just, you know, used up all their pocket money, and now they can't actually push it down any further. So it could be a good indication for buys throughout the week, especially that it's hit overall targets in a day, right? It could, in fact, push up a little bit here and potentially retrace. But it's just finding a good place for entry and retrace for this retracement is the issue, because you can see there's no really clean candles in the left until we reach, especially on pound Aussie dollar, there's no clean candles on the left until we reach 1.8 again, which is quite high up here. So it's a bit of a tough one for sure. But we'll definitely make do. We'll look at it. And actually, the only thing that really lines up for me at the moment is probably Bitcoin over here. You can see Bitcoin has been pushing up, which ideally I want. So this is phase one, right? Phase one is this little box right here. Expecting price to just, you know, push up, you know, rally a little bit, and a sharp decline to the downside, and then a consolidation, which is phase two. That phase two is consolidation, and I have too many VWAPs on my daily time frame. So let me just change that. I mean, on my hour time frame. So we just get rid of that one. Actually, put that at 1. And this big VWAP over here, we'll put at 2. There we go. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, we're overall pushing up over here, taking out all these liquidities on the left, and we could potentially be taking these this volume void. As I said on my my prediction, is we could potentially get a consolidation around this prediction, because if you look at the 12-hour, there is a volume void over here, right? You can see this is the volume void, and this is where I'm expecting consolidation to happen. I'm expecting this volume void to kind of be filled in, and then what will happen is, instead of this, right, it'll end up being like that, and it's flat. That way, that is now the POC, and then we could potentially push price down from there. That's what I'm expecting. Anyways, obviously we also have this high volume node on the left over here for Bitcoin. It's also at the very, it actually lines up perfectly with the VWAP as well, the actual VWAP, not the deviation. So potentially push price from there to the downside again. Especially after this huge move over here, nothing has been retested here. I mean, so you know, we could potentially be pushing down from there. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. As for this one, what VWAP should I take off? I should take this one off because it's not really. Or no, I'll take. I'll do this one. 5. There we go. Just clean up the charts a little bit. So Adeel will now show his potential GBPJPY sells. 1 second. Over here. There you go. Ready whenever you are.
Hang on. I've already taken them.
He's already taken the GBPJPY sells. He will show them if he wins it. Okay? If he doesn't, it never happened, and you can erase it from your memories.
No, I'm showing it regardless, don't worry.
From your memories, it's gone. Okay? You can imagine what he's doing here. So where's my my box tool? So this level looking to be mitigated, right? It had a reaction over here. You can see that this reacted over here. My guess would have been he would have entered the break of this low. Although I'm on the 15-minute time frame, not on the not on the minute. But
I'll share my screen.
and then, are you close to your stop loss?
No, I'm not.
Huh.
Yeah, I'm showing my screen now.
I see.
Yeah, here's the 15-minute. So as you can see, we've got this selling area right here, this candle here. We left the void right after, which means we expect that institutions entered here. So once we push back in, we should get a nice push to the downside, especially after we generated all these sellers above, right below, sorry. So once we come in and grab, it's a, you know, it's a, what would you call it, typical move you see, where we see candles right below a selling area, we grab it and we go downwards from there. So we pushed into that area on the 1 minute. And look, a similar thing happened on the 1 minute. We pushed higher, generated sellers here, sell stops, buy stops, whatever you want to call it, pushed up and then pushed straight down below. So then once price came back into that area, see, this is a replica basically of the 15-minute I just showed you. Once we push back up, I've entered on the break of this candle low, stop loss above the high, and the target is just below this area here where we can expect sellers to have their entries waiting, and also buyers will have their stop losses waiting right below here. So price has a reason to push downwards. And yeah.
There you go.
So now, win or lose, we'll see what happens. I'll be moving to break even at the 1-to-1. Should be coming up soon.
Thought it'd be around here.
Yeah.
Oh, I was way off.
Did you draw something?
No, I didn't, but I was just way off. I was showing it over. I thought it'd be closer to this wick than it actually was. There you go. We just
Yeah, GU had a very similar setup where it just pushed past the block and then
so break this
almost
candle
identical.
low, short. Now, why is the VWAP on? Not needed on the minute, really. Is it the VWAP? No. So that's this trade right there. We'll see if that's a W. I think it will be. You can see the impulsivity of the pound pair, of this pound yen over here. You can see it's starting to potentially. I mean, market opens in 30 minutes, so we can see the move from there. In this case, would you like to be finished before or after the market open, or does it even matter to you?
Doesn't matter too much, but obviously we normally see moves line up with London. So we'll see.
Yeah, but like,
I can't really predict it. It's a tricky situation.
Yeah, when you say with like the new hour candle, we're expecting a top wick though, and you don't know how big the top wick would be, so it could potentially rally up and then push down.
That is true. I might break even now.
Nice. He's over even.
Nice. First trade in like 4 days, 3 days. Trading days at least. But what was I going to say on GU? Yeah, GU doing a similar thing. I'm going to sell.
His entry's there. His take profit is there. There you go. Yeah, YouTube might be buying the rights for some songs and stuff, so we might actually be able to put some songs without getting copyright strikes.
Really?
Or
Where did
copyright
you read
claims.
that?
I don't know. I think because they're trying to like, well, shorts you can do with copyrighted music, right? Because it's just shorts.
Yeah.
But live streams, like, obviously you can't. So I think they're buying up rights for some songs in order to use it for live streams.
Yeah. They finally sit there and be like, hold up, these labels are taking all of our money. We're giving them billions of views. We're taking all of it.
Yeah.
I don't know, that's sick.
I think, to be honest, I think they'll get a good deal for it because, like, the amount of people that'll be listening to the same songs, because it'd be the one that's, that have a license on them. Bro, they get billions and billions upon billions of views.
Yeah. And I think YouTube is already like the A side in this deal. If it's against the labels, like.
Yeah.
They'd be like, what? We can't have your song. All right, fuck your billion.
They just start taking all the music like industry off YouTube.
They literally run it, don't they? YouTube technically.
Nah, Spotify runs the music industry, but YouTube's a close second. I feel like.
Yeah, I mean YouTube's for a lot of the promo, I'd say.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, the YouTube video, the music videos and stuff. I mean, you can watch it on Spotify now. I think I'm not too sure. I haven't really been looking at music videos on Spotify, but yeah.
Oh yeah, they do, don't they?
I think so.
No, I think they have short like clips. It's basically
is it
5-second loops.
like a GIF, a GIF, whatever you call it.
Yeah, that's it. It's a GIF basically. But video-wise, the podcasts are starting to get full videos. Like they got the deal with Joe Rogan, don't they?
Right.
So here's the full video. GJPP about to be here. Getting a nice candle. Let's see what happens.
What is it? 5 pips away, right? 4 pips.
It's literally like 4 pips. TP is nicely aligned with the liquidity.
It actually does look right here. Look at
right below.
Right here, lines up perfectly, and one here as well. You can see there.
Yeah, we missed the GU sir. Well, we didn't miss it. It just didn't give a.
Still 2% though. 4% for you though. 4% in it.
True. 2% for anyone watching. Not financial advice though.
Not financial advice.
Allegedly, it is financial advice. But
allegedly.
Yeah.
Can never. I don't think we can even say allegedly. You know, in this scenario.
Can you not say allegedly? Okay, let me call my lawyer up.
Let me call the lawyer, Rory.
Forget the market maker. We call the lawyer.
Yeah.
What are we allowed to say?
How long do you think my Bitcoin trade will be actually working now? A long time, apparently. Damn. Oh, well, it looks long.
Wait, is it still dropping or what?
Well, Bitcoin, no, I'm trying to push it up, to be honest, to the volume void. There's different types of voids, okay? That's why I clarified this volume void, because there's different types of voids in the market. Different strategies use the same terminology, but obviously it means different things. It sucks, but yeah. We're not very, traders aren't very original with names. Probably name their kid like the most basic Harry or something. That's the case.
That's why I unfollowed everyone on Instagram. Because I thought, wait, everyone's got a different name for the same strategy, and I'm following all of them. I'm like, bro, cut out the noise. It's just Enigma now. Whatever we call it is that.
Yeah.
And
you know what? I did realize. You know what I used to say, that the market used to be random. I believe that some part of it is random.
Yeah.
Only because who are participating in the market? It's people, right? People participate in markets.
TP hit.
Nice, TP hit.
You can continue the motivational speech afterward. TP hit. Nice. Literally, what? I've been on the charts for 10 minutes. 4% made. Amazing. Yeah, carry on.
You know, I used to say, like, the market is random, and, you know, stuff like that, right? But in some way it is, but in some ways it isn't, because, like, we learn in economics one thing, right? That humans are irrational when it comes to purchases and stuff and how they value things. We all know that. And basically, because it's irrational, that's what makes it random to some extent. But if you can kind of, like, I don't know, simplify that irrationality by using technical analysis or stuff like that, you can kind of predict what the next thing is in the market. By just trying to learn human psychology and human irrationality, you can kind of predict what's going to happen next. This works maybe because of algorithms, but also maybe because, you know, like humans deemed it to work and therefore it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, because we know, not we don't know, but the belief is that the algorithms are what controls actual price.
Mm.
But when it comes to the irrationality, we're saying the algorithm moves towards stop losses, doesn't it? That's what we say. So the irrationality part is the stop losses, and
Exactly,
I think
yeah.
you're right. Like we can predict that. We've been in the game long enough to know different types of strategies. Most people are doing this, and this, so we can sort of predict. Okay, below this low, people are doing this. Below this low, at this trend line, people are doing this.
Yeah.
I think that's the whole irrationality part.
For sure.
The randomness is the retail.
Yeah.
But we can use the algorithms to sort of get an actual structure to it.
Yeah, for sure. It's like
method behind the madness.
100%.
That's it.
100%. The thing is, like, I think I don't know. It's for me. I think why I succeeded in trading quite early on is because of the whole psychology part of it. The market psychology, not personal psychology. I don't personally believe that market psychology is too important in today's, like, you know, in trading nowadays. Like, I think people put too much of an emphasis on it. If you have a working strategy, it's going to work regardless of your strategy, as long as you can execute it enough. As long as you're psychologically sound enough to execute it when you need to, that's fine. But I feel like it's because I talk about this market psychology all the time, but realistically what market psychology is literally just human psychology just put into a two-dimensional chart like this one, right?
Yeah.
It's different. It's like, you know, euphoria over here, and then like you know, fear down here, euphoria here, fear down here. It's trying to, like, I don't know, like trying to not predict but understand why there was a huge amount of buying over here. Why did a lot of people, right? Why did buying...
I can't see your screen, by the way.
Oh, sorry. Where is it? Here. It's trying to understand why there was loads of euphoria over here, why there was a lot of fear over here because of the selling, why was there again loads of buying here and selling over here. It's, you know, these different stages in the market has something to do with human psychology to some extent. Because at the end of the day, I mean, yeah, you can say algorithm, but who programmed those algorithms? Realistically, it was humans, right?
That's true.
So human psychology is imprinted in this chart entirely. So that's how I see it. It's like a language, right, that you're trying to learn piece by piece. And then these little like maybe like this whole structure you can say is a word, and you're trying to, like, you know, create a sentence out of it by adding different aspects or different things into the market. You can say, like, your smart money creates a whole like maybe your, like, Adeel strategy basically creates a whole sentence to understand it. So he said that there was a, look at the 15-minute over here, there was an order block over here, you can see, because you can price push down from here, right? And then you can look down on 1 minute, you can see that it actually did what's it called, reacted to it, right? It actually did react to this level. So now he's trying to form a phrase, and then the final part of the phrase could be the sentence where he starts to execute. You know, I don't know if that analogy makes sense, but to me it makes sense. Like, it's just basically, like, for me, it's like learning a new language, and eventually you get a hang of it, and eventually you're able to create a sentence out of it. I don't know, does that make sense? I don't know. To me it does.
I guess you could say it's like learning a language because, for example, like, you know, when you're learning a language in school, it's all in fragments, isn't it? You never get, it's not like straight away you understand the full picture.
Exactly.
When you're saying your sentences, it's so broken up that if someone who's actually fluent in that language heard you, they'd be like, what the hell, this guy's talking like a robot.
Yeah, it's like...
That is trading, like, to an extent. Like, the more you go into your strategy, the more you learn about it, the more
100%.
fluent you become.
Yeah.
The better you are at explaining it, and the more sense the market will seem to make sense for you.
Yeah. I feel like that's what makes it seem random at the start as well, because it's just like, oh, what just happened? It's just it doesn't make sense. This quote unquote sentence doesn't make sense. But the more you read into the language, the more you learn about the language, you're like, oh, actually, you know what? It does make sense. This whole move, the one that you just called right now, that GJ sell, it does make sense. It's not random. It happens all the time.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Liquidity area, it's happening for a reason. You know?
Exactly, yeah.
It's like for example, if I quickly share my screen.
Yeah, go for it.
For example, why has GU just pushed up straight after taking this low. Is that random?
No, 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 no.
Out of all the places it could have pushed up, it didn't do it at the clean candles. As soon as it took the low, where sellers are likely to have their entries, it pushes straight up. Is that random?
Yeah.
Is that random? I don't know.
Bear in mind as well, guys, like there's so many ways to interpret this as well. Again, there's there's many languages within a language as well, potentially, if we're gonna stick with this analogy. So one you can say is, look at that consolidation level over here. If you get a volume profile on this, you'll see that there's the POC would probably be like in this level, and there's gonna be loads of volume around this level, right? It's gonna look like that. I don't know. I can't draw a volume profile.
Shall we check? Shall we check? Dunno.
Oh, yeah, you can see POC is there, right?
Lines up with the order block.
Like I'm telling you, so that's one reason. The other reason you can say is loads of take profits would be here from the sells down up here, right? In order to close your sales, what you have to do, you have to buy back your position, right? And that's what pushed the price up. And again, the next thing is you can say that, again, Adeel's reasoning is exactly that. It lines up perfectly as well, that there's loads of orders around this level as well. So there's so many reasons why that pushed up there. And that's what you need to understand. Like, all these reasonings and why it pushed up over there can give you that edge that, you know, you need in the market to really, like, flourish. Not flourish. What are you doing here? My brother just walked in.
Yeah, I think it's like I said, when you get fluent, you can say it this way or that way, but there's so many different languages to describe the same thing.
100%.
Like, someone with a moving average probably is saying right now, oh, there's a bounce, let's buy.
Yeah.
Literally. But I think the only time you truly get the master language is when you get the footprint, or you literally see actual orders coming into the market.
Volume, orders, and all them. Yeah, that's
volume
when
profile,
you're really like, orders, you're like a... Sorry,
delta.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, like, that's the only time you'll see the real stuff. But even then, I bet there's 100 languages to the footprint.
100%, yeah.
The order flow.
Yeah.
But
it's when you get to the footprint and stuff like that and fully understand it, that's when you know you're in, like, you know, you're doing a master's degree in language kind of thing.
That's the PhD.
That's the PhD, yeah. So right now we're doing secondary.
Yeah, I'll say this is A level.
This is A level. This support resistance primary stuff, man.
Yeah.
Primary stuff.
Once we're at hedge fund, it'll be undergrad. Yeah.
Undergrad.
Then it'll be the PhD. Actually, depends what strategy we're using.
When we do fully like working algorithms, that's when it's like, you know,
that's true.
Full time.
Yeah,
full-time job.
We're full-time now.
You're a full-time writer. You're a full-time writer at that point. You're an author. So yeah, that's how I see it anyways. Like, that's my interpretation of the market and how it flows.
Yeah.
Also, I didn't know that I apparently actually use the Wyckoff method when entering, executing, and analyzing the market. I did not know that.
And what? Have you got an example?
Well, basically, the simplest way to show the Wyckoff method is about the consolidation. It basically like emphasizes consolidation is where most volume is at, right? I'm sure you do the exact same thing here. So let me hide all this, right? I don't need this. So for example, like this one, okay, where potentially I'm looking to short this because it's overbought. That's like that kind, like, you know, the next target, the next level that it's gonna go to. That's not really the Wyckoff method. That's just that comes in practice, right? So what I would put is the level of consolidation over here and over where equal highs are being created, which is here, okay? And I'd look for what's it called? What they call I think they call it the man, or the composite man. Basically, it's basically the hedge fund and all them people trying to trap traders in either way. And what they would do, I actually did take these cells and actually did work out is on the group. But so this is not really in what's it called in hindsight, but I did actually trade in this, but obviously right now it's in hindsight. So what you would wait for is a break below to take all the sellers, and a break above to take the buyers, and then you get the move up, down, and then you get the, you know, an actual good move to either up or down, right? That's what the only difference is from what I learned on the video is they would actually take the next break off this level right here, where I was actually enter at the when it enters back into the range. That's when I would enter, because I know Buy stops, sorry, but yeah, buy stops have been taken, sell stops have already been taken. What else is there to take? It's time to go down. So that's what again, the only difference is the fact that I already have a target in mind when looking at the Wyckoff method, where other people would probably just take a 1 to 3, 1 to 5, and just use it as a P and like basically you know, go by their percentage rather than a structure level. I go for a structure level to take profit on. Other people don't. So yeah,
it depends on how you trade smart money. Some people do that, the 1 to 3, 1 to 5, but some also do the break of structure thing where they're like, okay, I'm expecting price to break structure, so I'm going to target that break of structure.
Yeah. I didn't actually know I did the sort of the Wyckoff method. I didn't even know who Wyckoff was.
Do you mean when you wait for liquidity grab before entering?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that is Wyckoff.
I didn't
Even
know
now,
that was
I guess there's a sort of Wyckoff happening.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's all hindsight, but you could say the springs just happened. If you go on the 1 minute chart, at least.
Do you know who Wyckoff was?
When you made the Wyckoff strategy.
You know? Oh, you knew the Wyckoff strategy the whole time. I didn't even know that.
Oh yeah, you've learned it back in the group.
Oh really, bro?
Yeah. But it was like no one. They basically said you don't have to learn it. We don't really emphasize it because it overcomplicates everything. You don't actually need it to be profitable.
I don't think it's that I'm watching it now.
I think they should have had more of an emphasis on actually teaching us it.
Yeah, I feel like
there was 1 video, 2 videos, and that was it. No one mentioned it.
Yeah.
But,
it's a fundamental part of your strategy. Realistically, is where most people got their strategy from. Liquidity
it's the actual
and stuff like
basis,
that. Yeah,
isn't it? It's the basis.
Obviously, you put your twist onto it. That's fine, and you know, from where it started, is a huge twist now. Basically, it's turned into the smart money concept now. Basically.
Yeah. Essentially.
But yeah, no.
I wonder is, you know how it's all based on liquidity grabs. What happened right at the start? Because it's based on other people buying and selling. That means, I think that what that means is right at the start, it must have been so basic in terms of liquidity. It must have been like all people did was breakout trades, and they were like, I'm trying to think logically. If people were looking at, let's say, the price of potatoes, they're thinking, oh, price has never gone past, let's say, £1 before for this sack of potatoes.
Yeah.
Oh, so that means as soon as it goes to £1 and 2 pence,
let's buy.
I think the price is going to keep on going higher. Let's buy.
Yeah.
And then at some point, I'm just trying to think. The people going against them, how were they predicting? They're just thinking. They must have just thought, oh well, it's not going to go that much higher. Let's buy them all up and then sell them.
So what I feel,
you know what I'm trying to think?
Yeah.
Right at the very start, what were people doing?
I feel like what it comes down to is FOMO, isn't it?
Yeah.
So as soon as it breaks out, everyone sees the new price. Everyone who's bought down here are like not flexing, but showing, oh look at this old money I made. And the people that didn't enter, they're like, oh wait, it's broken up so high. I don't want to miss out on this. So as soon as it breaks out, they're like, okay, now it's time to buy. And then that's where the FOMO, like everyone's FOMO kicks in, and then everyone's euphoric and stuff in the market. Everyone's greedy in the market. Everyone's like, oh yeah, let's just keep buying, and that's where overbuying comes into place, where everyone just bought too much, you know, and now what will happen is obviously they'll try sell the commodity, the currency or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like basic FOMO. I feel like that's what they use. Yeah. Again, I think they use mostly human psychology to really determine their strategy.
Yeah, I think maybe that's where the whole idea of smart money originated from.
Potentially,
Like they're looking at these guys getting FOMO right at the very start, like, and this would be on paper. It wouldn't be on laptops like now. It would literally be on paper. They're thinking, okay, loads of people are buying now, and it's the actual smart guys. These, you know, I don't know, the educated people.
At the time.
At the time, like they're just looking at their hold. It's not going to go up for that long. Why are these people just hoarding whatever this is? They're like, okay, let's just sell. Let's sell. It's got to go down eventually. And then after that happened, and people started realizing, they probably call them, oh, these guys are smarter than us. And they were the ones who made money, and that turned into the hedge funds. That would turn into the institutions.
Yeah. You have to kind of bear in mind as well where they're putting the positions in, right?
Yeah.
Smart money buys low. Dumb money buys high. The breakout. Literally the breakout. Whereas the smart money wants to buy around these support levels. That's where they want to buy. Even though everyone's like fearful that, oh, the price went down a little bit, it's retracing, I'm scared. That's when they're buying, because they're like, well, that's actually a premium price for where it's going to go. Because they know where the price is going to go. Because, like, you know, well, they control the market, kind of. So they know where it's going to go. So if they're buying down here, that's a premium. Sorry, it's a discount. So, like, that's why they're like, okay, now it's time to push the price up or push the price down or whatever. Because, like, again, it's all about their simple psychology. When they're greedy, when everyone else is greedy, they're fearful. When everyone else is fearful, they're greedy. That's how it works.
That's it. And obviously, there's the elephant in the room, which is, oh yeah, but breakout traders are still profitable. Some of them. I'd say that's the elephant in the room. But at the same time, I would say that breakout traders know, or no insults, but they know they're dumb money, which is why they take their profit so quickly.
They play into it, exactly. Yeah.
That's why they know. Like, maybe consciously they don't know it, but you know, the reason they target 10 pips. Because they looked in the past and thought, wait, price only ever goes 10 pips in my favor. So it's like, technically, they know they're dumb money. So they think, okay, but let's just catch this quick move. Now, what's the word you hear over and over again? They say, or the phrase, they say, okay, we're just going to take little pieces of the market. That's all we can do. All we can take is little pieces of the market. And I think it's breakout traders say that the most.
Yeah.
They're saying, we don't know where it's going. But on the other hand, if you look at me and you, normally we guess the direction. Like, we literally guess the direction the market's about to go in.
Exactly. So, for example, GU right here, I was expecting shorts. I wasn't expecting shorts at the breakout. I was expecting a pullback, but I got the direction overall. Obviously, like, everyone can say they can guess the direction because there's 50-50 chance you get the direction. Let's be honest, right?
Yeah. Yeah, but when you do it 80% of the time.
Exactly. When you can call it 80% of the time, then it's different. And plus, I think that's where you really see whether they're dumb money or smart money, because risk management is important to everyone. Risk management is important to me. Risk management is important to most traders out there, because if you don't manage your risk, you're dumb straight away. But if most of your strategy is about risk management, I'm not going to name any names, but breakout traders always move their stop loss to break even as soon as they hit 2 pips.
Yeah.
Right? Why? Because they know that there's a chance of manipulation for they know that for a fact there's a chance of manipulation. Like, if you go to any streams that, you know, that are profitable, they know there's a high chance of manipulation. So what would they do is move their stop loss to break even, because that's, well, it's, you know, it's better to move and break even. Yeah. What?
It's logic.
It is logic, yeah. And they backtested these, like, you know, these traders and these streamers. Some of these streamers have backtested and have lived in the markets for so long that they know what their edge is. Okay, that's why they play into it. They play into their 10 pips and stuff like that, which is, they're profitable. That's fine.
Smart.
It is. They're dumb but smart money. You know.
Yeah.
It's great.
Obviously, now we're getting dumb smart money too.
Yeah, you can say that, you know, breakout traders, some of them are profitable, but some of the smart money people aren't profitable. So, like, there's always two sides of the coin, always.
Yeah, it's what you can expect when it goes retail, because strategy is one thing, but then obviously the whole management is another side, and the psychology.
Execution is a major thing. You can have a best strategy in the world. If you can't execute correctly, bro, your strategy is trash.
Yeah, legit.
But yeah, that's basically how that's our take on the market, anyways. And yeah, obviously take it how you will. If you don't believe that there's someone controlling the market, you know, be my guest. That's fine. If you don't believe that algorithms control the market, also fine. I personally don't believe that algorithms control the market entirely. I feel like there's still, like, those actual traders out there that really do control the market. I'm pretty sure there's like 10 banks that control the foreign exchange market. Like a majority of the
I read that somewhere.
What's it called?
It's a very low number.
Forex. Let's see here. Here we go. Here's the so they have Citibank have 12.9% of the market share. I don't think this is a foreign. Oh, it is Forex bank strategy. Okay, here we go. And JP Morgan is 8.8. So if you add all these up together, I'm pretty sure it equates to quite the majority of
probably
the market
like 80%, isn't it?
I don't think it's 80, but
70.
I think it's like 50.
Actually, no, it won't be that high.
I think it's 50. 12.9 plus 8.8 plus 8.8 plus 7.9. Sorry, my mental math isn't good, guys. Okay, this shows that you don't need good mental maths.
Yeah. But then obviously below that level we got hedge funds too.
Yeah, exactly. Which
takes up another 20, 30 probably.
Oh wow. 66.9.
Yeah.
67% of the market is controlled by these 10 people. What's to stop them from colluding with a burner phone and going like, lads?
Bro, I bet they are. I bet these guys are in contact with each other.
Alright, lads, we need to make some money today. Like, we're not hitting our targets, lads. Come on, help us out. Give us some of your liquidity.
Yeah. And what about that Roger Banks guy? I see him. There's 2,000 people watching him. Let's take him.
Take him out. Oh, I saw this trader on Twitter. His name's Sean Lee. He got 90% accurate. Can we just take some of his?
Let's just get him.
Quick bonus 50 grand, I'd say. Nice, yeah. Very like, to be fair, these people don't care about your money as an individual, all right? These banks don't care about your like 200 quid on like stop loss or whatever. They don't care about that. They care about the collective market as a whole. The issue with most traders is most of them have the same strategy, where it's just easy enough to predict where the stop loss is gonna be, and that's where they get you. So if you keep getting stop loss hunt, that's because you have the same strategy as everyone else. There you go.
Yeah.
I personally have not been stop loss hunted for quite some time now. If I'm wrong, I'm definitely wrong. If I'm right,
yeah.
then
I'm
I'm
saying, to be fair, I literally get blasted straight through. It's like, no, we're not going anywhere near your direction.
Exactly.
What are you on about?
If you get stop loss hunt, that's because they know where you are. You got the right direction right though. That's something going for you. You got the direction right. However,
yeah,
they didn't like it. Oh, you hid your camera, by the way.
Oh yeah, hang on. Fresh as flu, bro. I haven't even started uni yet.
I've got fresh as flu.
You've been at home, bro. Why you got fresh as flu,
well, my
bro?
brother goes to school, innit?
You got it from his school, bro.
Yeah.
These little shin kickers.
I've never got kicked in the shin by these people, but yeah. Alright. Whatever floats your boat, I guess.
That's what people say, innit?
Yeah, the little shin kickers.
These meddling kids.
Hold on, where is my live streams?
Did you watch Scooby-Doo? Nah, no way you didn't.
I'm joking, of course I have, bro. Ruby Ruby.
Was that your confirmation that you watched it?
Raggy?
Okay, you're verified. You're a verified.
I'm a verified Scooby-Doo fan, bro. I know all the villains, my G.
Yeah. It was always some pedo though in a mask, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, always, bro.
Talking about meddling.
Can't say pedo, bro. We're about to get a strike, G.
Surely not for pedo.
About to get strike. Strike one. Gone.
Hey, haven't they? I swear they're coming up with terms to like allow pedos now. Have you seen that?
No, well that's cap.
Something like, I think it's probably in America somewhere. Where they're starting to say like,
that's a mental illness.
It's just his sexual preference. I'm like, what? Are you crazy?
It's a bad sexual preference. Stop it. Stop it now.
What? What?
It's like allowing kids to like, I don't know, like running in the street without looking left and right. It's just his crossing preference.
Yeah, it's just, they're literally gonna say that one day, bro.
It's just his preference not to look left and right, man. It's fine. Like, it's not even that deep.
A group of guys decide to stop purging every year, bro.
It's just their preference.
It's just their preference, yeah.
But people are dumb, you know. People are dumb.
I think a lot of this happens in America. The UK, from what I know, is pretty chill here, isn't it? With all that stuff. It's still normal here.
Yeah. It's not like gone to crap fully yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like over there, you can't say anything about anyone.
No. I mean, obviously, if it's offensive and you're saying it on purpose to offend someone, there's an issue. There's an issue there, right?
Yeah.
But if you're saying it because you properly believe in it, and you know, you actually, it's actually your belief, and you're not trying to offend anyone, and you know, you're not trying to go out your way just to make people feel bad. That's fine. Carry on.
Yeah.
But obviously, there's a fine line. There's a very, very fine line between like, you know, taking advantage of your freedom of speech and like. Not taking advantage, basically. Look at that shorts, bro. Oh my goodness, look at that. 1 to 5 right there on the spot. Easy.
Damn, Sean.
You would have made a 1 to 5 trade, mate. Crazy was that?
It would have been so beautiful, man.
Wait.
It would have been so beautiful, man.
Why did that move? Where did you enter? Oh, down here, innit?
If this was on my...
No. Would you have got tapped out?
You moved the entry, bro.
Where was the entry? There.
On the second part, yeah.
That one.
No, on the candle low. Pretty sure the first one that got broken.
Yeah, there, sure.
Basically that. Basically.
Sure
Actually,
that.
Why am I just saying that? 156199, basically. That's the entry.
199. Around there. There you go.
No, you're thinking about it.
1 to 4, bro. Jeez. Who called that move? Exactly. You're not doing breakout trades out here.
I don't even need to be hosting the live stream, and I still do it. We're still doing it.
Bro, how am I supposed to call anything when all my targets got hit in a day?
It's peak.
Hey, look at this, guys. Look at it. So overall, you can see overall targets over here, yeah? I marked it out on Sunday evening, right, before market opened. Hit in a day. Literally in a day. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. Yeah, this is the day that opened. Bang, smashed through it. Pound Aussie dollar. What happened? Overall targets down here. Hit in a day. I don't think I did pound USD, but if I did, I probably would have put down here and it probably wouldn't hit. Gold actually did. Gold is starting to push. Okay, gold's starting to push up, which we want. We like. Oil. Oil. It hit my take profit 2 weeks ago. S&P 500 in a day. Dixie, actually got this one wrong. I actually got Dixie wrong, guys. Okay, I'm gonna admit that I got Dixie wrong. I'm expecting a push down to Dixie, but continued rallying up. So I got that wrong. My bad. That's that close to hitting targets. Crypto. I swear, if it hit in a day, I would have been so pissed, man. Like. If it hit in a day.
This Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the one that hasn't?
The one that actually, hasn't been tapped yet.
Right.
High hopes.
The one most expensive one is the one that chills.
The one that most people can't actually enter at because it's way too expensive. Have you seen XRP going against Bitcoin as well? When Bitcoin was falling, XRP was pushing up. I was like, what? Go away, man. Who do you think you are?
That's a bit different, isn't it? Isn't there some sort of delayed reaction though? From what I've heard.
Maybe, but there was no push really. I mean that one, I guess, but that one already happened. Where is XRP? Oh no, it never happened. Yeah, maybe it's a delayed reaction. I'm like, bro, who do you... Remember when they said, "Oh, XRP, this is the final time you can buy it below 0.5." Like a 0.5 after a week, bro. What the hell? Bro, everyone's overhyping this coin. To be honest, I'm still gonna hold this coin. By the way, like this XRP, I'm still holding it, and I feel long term, this is it, right? XRP is gonna do well. But yeah, it's it's still going. It still hasn't finished the lawsuit, has it?
It's still in that.
I think so.
Isn't that from 2 years ago?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Here we go. XRP jumps 44% in a week after Ripple moves to dismiss SEC lawsuit. Come on, dismiss it already.
Dismiss it? It's not hard, bro. Just press the button, dismiss. Alright.
Yeah, just sell, man. Just sell. Just do the duk. Judge, do the duk, and then we're done. Be done, bro. Everyone just start buying up XRP for the bants, innit?
No, you're thinking about it.
You're gonna start live streaming on October then?
Yes, sir. Can't wait, man. What's the first uni day basically is on Friday.
Nice.
Apparently I'm starting work now next week and not this week. So
Okay.
got another week to chill.
Nice. Is trading hard is the question? Maybe. Depends.
Are you in the chat again?
No.
What is the chat saying?
Actually, yeah, you know what? That is true.
Let's take a visit.
What's everyone talking about on gold? Hold on, let's look at gold. What's everyone saying? Yes, 1700 voila scenario. Sahili Nahili high. I don't know. At least 1550 touch.
This guy's Indian or something.
Maybe. Kind of weird not reaching under 1620, but PA price action not topped it yet. What do you mean didn't? Yeah, it didn't actually top 1620. Close enough, buddy. 30-minute an hour. My apologies. Ooh, this guy's trying to get up to 1700. Also, by the way, I watched a video proving that these, what's it called? These patterns aren't a real thing, and they don't work.
What was that?
I watched a video where proving patterns aren't a real thing in the market because
Which sort of patterns?
like head and shoulders, all
Yeah.
them stuff. Because like, what's it called? He made a random chart where it's just randomly number generated, you know, numbers, and you just put the average of movement in pound. I think it's Euro USD, which is 23 pips average. But obviously, it can go up, it can go lower, but on average, it'd be 23 pip movement. And what would happen is head and shoulders would form everywhere, like, you know, different types of like strategies would form everywhere. He even put an EMA on there to show that, look, EMA doesn't really work too well, even though like it bounced off this level so many times, even though, you know, so on and so forth, but it doesn't actually work. So if it generates on a randomly generated chart, wouldn't that mean that it's just randomly generated anyways?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like, it just happens, and just because it happens sometimes, most people go like, "Oh, that means it's gonna break."
Right. So he made his own basically pair,
Mhm.
and he set the price to do random things every couple of months or so, and then he
No, every hour.
Every hour.
Yeah.
Then he went back on the chart and looked at the candles.
And then
And
he'd
he
be
just
like,
saw-
yeah.
Oh, and then he
Trend
saw
lines,
the pattern.
channels would be there, like, you know, and then a break of
Right.
the trend line would actually work as well.
Yeah.
If it works on a random thing, then there's chances are it's just randomly. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's what he's saying, and I believe, I believe it.
Yeah. So he's basically saying it wasn't institutions that made
It wasn't
these.
institution. It
It's
wasn't
just
real
happened.
thing that moves the market. Like as Nirav would say, random lines do not move the market.
Yeah.
Simple.
Simple.
And yeah, so basically, like, I'm watching this guy. Look at this, like, right now. Gold Elliot, right here. This channel right here, fake news, doesn't actually work. This channel right here doesn't actually work.
Fake news. GU buys coming up potentially.
Ooh, second trade.
A quick scalper.
I'm gonna go
You know
in the
what's
chat.
sick?
Anyone here trade patterns? Stop trading.
Head and shoulders, is that real? Be like that, just be like that guy with the signpost, you know, that says Judgment Day is coming.
Judgment Day is coming. Head and shoulders, this is not real. Head and shoulders, it's not real. Jeez. Here we go. Did it react to the block? It did react to the block.
Well, a little early, but it's ended up breaking the high anyway.
Blocker.
Slightly early. We don't like that.
Did you bring your PS4 with you or no?
7, hang on.
Yeah. Go on. Finish your trade, lad.
I'm not a rapper. 12 point. Yeah, this could stop us out, but I stick to the strategy.
Vented, Jesus. You did break the high, so I guess. I guess.
8. Yes, so. 8.2 pips stop lush.
That's so tiny.
TP is 1.0. No, it's not.
I'm gonna start trading US 30. You know, it looks fun.
Oh, TP already hit.
Oh Jesus! Bro,
Jesus.
2.
8% for the day. Amazing. Amazing.
That's beautiful.
Well,
Well,
if
no,
you're following
4%, 4%, 4%,
allegedly
4%, allegedly.
That's fucking
4%.
still amazing anyway.
Yeah. 2.3 pips
Yeah.
stop loss. Damn.
Well, mine.
You say 2.3?
That was hang on. Yeah, so I entered slightly early before the break of the high.
Mm.
So my entry was 07836. Stop loss was below the low at 07777. So 5.9 pip stop loss.
5.9. Nice. I see.
Am I tapped today? What am I doing? Sorry, entry was 41, 07841. Yeah, 6.4 pip stop loss. And
Yeah.
12.8 pip TP.
I see,
Literally
I
got
see.
smashed through within a minute.
No, look at that reversal.
Jeez.
Now, why did this happen? Why did this reversal happen then? Right. Okay. A few things. Right. A few things.
Or the block.
So we had consolidation around this level. This is still consolidation, even though it's not sideways. It still didn't move much, right? Consolidation, build of orders over here, untapped volume. And what happened with this particular volume over here? Sorry, this particular cluster over here. This consolidation. Price pushed down. So we know for a fact that the strongest positions that was held over here was sellers, right? So let's say that price does go back up into this level. What would happen to those sellers? Are they just, since they have, you can see that they have the capacity to move the market. Do you think they'll just let price pass them? Absolutely bloody not. They're not going to let you do that. What they'll do is defend their positions for the downside move. And then that's it. And one more reason, right? Or the block, or the block, or the block. Where's the block? Block. So, smart money traders, all they do is enter where Adeel entered, or slightly lower potentially. I'm not too sure. And then price would push up. And next to the next order block, what they do is take profits. So if they're taking buys from here, what they have to do is sell from there.
That's true.
So many reasons, bro. So many reasons.
Yeah, and if we're saying the overall direction is going downwards on GU, then of course it's going to respect the bearish order block. It's going to start violating. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just pushing past the bullish ones.
Exactly. You see that I put my POC, sorry, my fixed volume profile, anchored volume profile, whatever it's called, on this range right here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
You can see that it almost perfectly rejects that level.
Is that from the high to the low?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
You can see that right there. That's where the most of the in this range right here, most of the volume was traded here. You don't believe me? Like, that's the case. Like, yes, you can even move it down to this level, and I'm telling you, it's still probably going to be the same level because there's so much volume around this level that no matter really where you put, maybe besides this level because it's quite a high volume level as well, it'll always be here because that's where most of the volume is traded at. Actually, I want to test that. I'm pretty sure it would just be a little bit higher than usual, but let's see. Oh crap, don't want you there. No, it's still there, still there. Yeah, you can see that there's so much volume there that sellers willing to defend their sells there, alright? Over here. So that's why it pushed down as well. Just a quick reason why. 13 reasons why price pushed down. And they say technical analysis isn't real. Psh, what the hell's wrong with these people?
Nice.
If it
Donald
isn't real,
Trump
then how
owns
come
the
Adeel made
market,
8% today? Huh? If it isn't real.
But Joe Biden's Twitter runs the market, don't you know?
Nah, it was Donald Trump's Twitter, to be honest, and Bojo's Twitter. Bro, they were They were moving the market like mad.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Bojo, the one and only.
Like Trump would call his financial like person, his accountant or whatever, or whoever executes his trades, and go like, "Can you buy dollar real quick? I'm about to. Oh, can you sell the dollar real quick? I'm about to tweet." He sells all his dollars for the pound or something, and he tweets, "Oi, dickhead, what's Russia doing? You."
What?
I don't know. Whatever he tweets, like he goes like, "Oh, I got bigger button than you" or something. That's something he tweeted.
I got a bigger button than you.
I think he said that. I think he tweeted that.
What a legend.
And then the US dollar crashed, and he was like, "Yep, made my money. All right, get out the financial markets. I'm done."
Oh,
Quick scalp, bro, quick scalp. You know what's good about this GU trade though? Oh, bro, oh GU, lovely. Sell it all, bro. Just sell GU, man. Everyone, just sell GU, okay? Not financial advice. Just sell it. Get it down to 1-to-1, please. Please, I beg. You're saying if I entered the trade with you, I'd be up 8% as well. Nice. That's mad.
where's the trust, man?
There
Where's
it
the
is.
loot?
There it is.
I need an emoji that grabs attention. That isn't the fire emoji. You know what I mean?
Nothing else, bro. Like a red life button. The red like not the red button, the red circle.
Yeah, it has to be something red.
Yeah.
The red circle? Which one, you know?
If you go on the emoji, there'll be a red circle.
It was just a normal. I'm gonna use a backpack.
A backpack. What? Time to learn. Get schooled. What's...
Oh, maybe, yeah. I wasn't thinking of it like that. I just thought it's red.
Bro, there's a red circle, bro. There's a red circle emoji.
No, but the back to school, you know, that's a good way of doing it.
Yeah, you didn't. Definitely, that's what you were going for, innit?
Oh, of course, man.
Of course,
I'm a
bro.
mastermind, you know.
Facts.
Every emoji is planned.
Facts.
You can't see what is going on. I did get straight back to it, but I overslept, didn't I? Dickhead.
I overslept, but went straight back to it. But Central C killing it.
He's killing it. He mugged off. He never mugged off. He's killing it. Took over the game in like 2 years.
Yeah, have you heard his freestyling thingy as well?
Yeah. LA Leaf.
Yeah, that was a decent.
I told you about that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was the one who said it to you.
Oh.
But yeah, it's a good freestyle. There was one part where he ruined it.
Which one?
Because obviously he did the whole slang thing, didn't he?
Yeah.
He just starts talking about toilet for some reason. I think it was a filler lyric where he said he didn't know what to say, so he said, "You call it a restroom, we call it a toilet." I'm like, what? Why did you have to say that?
Yeah, I mean, like sometimes you just run out of things to say, bro.
Yeah.
It's freestyle sick though, to be fair.
Yeah, it's sick. I'm surprised no one thought of that before.
The slang.
Oh yeah, showing. I guess it is a new thing to think of.
Oh yeah, I mean, we never really bridged the gap between like UK and US drill or, you know, rap.
Yeah.
Wait, but to it.
Oh.
Come on, Bitcoin.
Just Bitcoin then. You mean?
Yeah. BitConnect. Bro, that was funny times in the world.
Wow. Yeah, maybe it'll pull a GJ. Move 500 pips in 10 minutes.
It was 200 in 2 minutes, wasn't it? Something like that.
Wait, what?
GJ moved like 300 pips or 200 pips in the 2 minutes or something dumb like that.
Oh yeah, I didn't go on that time frame. I just saw that one big ass 15-minute candle.
Bro, someone got robbed.
Yeah. Somebody got hunted there, bro.
Someone got robbed, bro.
Somebody switched to smart money after that loss. They were like,
Oh,
bro,
yeah.
what? What? What's going on?
I remember trading like GBPCHF or something, and I got absolutely like destroyed by it because there was a wedge, right? I didn't know what a wedge was, but I saw a wedge. I don't know what it did. Bear in mind, this is my start. This is when I properly like looked for strategies and stuff. Hold on, that's not a good wedge. Where it was just like this.
Yeah, I remember that. You just did the triangles, didn't you?
Yeah, and I was looking for a breakout below because I was like, well, this is a major support level. Bear in mind, most people would probably buy out this wedge, right? But I didn't because I was dumb and I didn't know what really I was doing. And I was looking for a sell below here, and it broke out and I sold, bro. And I slept like a baby because I was like, oh, that's fine, whatever.
No stop loss.
Boom.
And then I swear after that you started doing it. So like you waited for one side to get taken, then you went to the other side.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Then that was the infamous box strategy, wasn't it?
Box to box.
Box to box.
I still have my box to box strategy sometimes. Okay, so my box to box, you have like 3 phases. So you have the impulsive move, consolidation, or what's it called? It's not accumulation phase. And then you can either have, you potentially can have a fake out and then the breakout, and that's where you really make your money. That is the distribution phase, I call it, and that's where it really pushes up. The funny thing is, accumulation distribution is actually used in Wyckoff. So
True.
I did not know that. I didn't know those words, and I just made up those words on the spot. And guess what? Me and Wyckoff had the same idea. Basically, I'm the new Wyckoff.
Hey, what's the name then? Castro.
It's crazy though, like how I managed to kind of create a strategy that kind of lines up with Wyckoff without me knowing that it lines up with Wyckoff. Like, you know, that's mad. That's mad to me. Basically, I created my. If Wyckoff didn't exist, I'd still have the same strategy. That's basically my point.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd be able to understand it as well, because I'm starting to learn it now, and I'm trying to understand it a little bit. But I'd still have the same strategy nonetheless. So, if you were born to be a trader, you're not a trader. You're not born to be a trader. You choose to be one.
What was that? Random motivational quote? What happened there?
I'm bored. Alright, I'm bored. None of my bloody pairs are doing nothing, bro.
Why don't you react to a video? Your computer can handle it. Mine starts lagging.
React to a video? What
know.
video? I'll play Valorant, bro. That's what I'll do.
Stream Valorant.
Yeah, stream Valorant for 30 minutes or something. Actually, I'll do that. Come on, guys. We're going to play Valorant. I'm going to start. I don't know if I'll start lagging because... Not because of my PC, but because of my internet. You want to play Valorant with me, bro?
Share play, bro.
I am. Share play.
Share play, bro.
I'm pretty sure you can. If you got, do you have good Wi-Fi in your uni?
You mean where I'm staying?
Yeah.
It's alright.
Because you can do like in NVIDIA Play or whatever, and where you don't need a good PC, but you can play online.
NVIDIA Play.
I don't know what it's called exactly, but it's like something like NVIDIA Play or something.
Don't worry, bro. I'll watch you play. This looks pretty good, to be fair. Did you ever play Paragon?
Nah, I didn't. No, it was like I saw.
You know
Paragon.
what that is?
Yeah, I think Paragon is one of those like tower defense, isn't it?
A MOBA.
Yeah, tower defense. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah, sort of tower defense. It's by Epic Games, the ones that made Fortnite.
Yeah, it was.
But what ended up happening was, but it was a sick game. I used to love that game, man. But it ended up basically, Fortnite ended up getting priority.
Yes, yeah.
But
I played tower defense
game.
as well. I played tower defense as well. Is it Smite? I don't know if you played Smite, but
nah, not Smite. I heard of it.
Smite is basically you're not gonna like it because like again, it's very disrespectful to religion. But like they basically turn gods into like characters, right? Oh the gods.
What
Hindu,
is it like Zeus ones or is it
like
Muslim?
Zeus, like Norse mythology, Maya.
Oh, then it's alright. I wouldn't mind playing that.
Ah, then yeah, it's
Because
sick,
I
bro,
don't
it's
believe
sick.
in him anyway, bro.
It's sick, it's sick.
Do it. Do what you want. What's you got? What's his name? You got like, I think it's Krishna. They call him.
Yeah, you have like I think
Christian,
Ganache,
they got I've heard of that, yeah.
I have good ping here.
You got Zeus. You got Odin. Oh, sounds pretty good to be fair. But yeah, I think they outsourced the game, or they basically opened the license for Paragon. So they said any company that wants to remake the game, you can do it.
Bro, Paragon was a decent game because I played it once, I think, and I was like, it's actually not bad because obviously I played Smite already. I played Smite already, so like, I had the idea of what to expect and that. But yeah,
it was the first game other than I think COD and the usual ones that I really like.
So you like the building, like creating builds and stuff.
It was the leveling up your character as the game went on.
Yeah.
And then,
What build? What would you play? Which position?
I would switch it up to be fair, but I think I was either pushing or I was in the jungle.
I was jungling all the time. I was always
love
jungle.
jumping people.
I always jungle.
You just come out of nowhere and ambush them. It's too sick.
Bro, I always jungle, bro. Always jungle, bro.
What, on every game? Always jungle?
Yeah, so if I played League, I'd play jungle. If I played Smite, I'd play jungle. Even though I don't know the jungle as well, and I do, like, for the first 10 games or something, I basically, like, ruined my team a little bit and ruined their game. But, like, I get to learn it quite quickly. I know which, like, the timings and stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Bro, if you want to play Smite one time, bro, it's basically the same thing.
Okay, mia familia. Leave the fireworks.
I look
to
some
me.
YouTube videos.
Should be plenty loud.
Oh, my frame rate's dropping a little bit. Oh!
Might have to close the Bitcoin chart.
What is actually like? I want to see what's actually like.
Oh.
Task manager. What's actually taking most of my CPU? Nothing. Nothing's taking my CPU, bro. Oh, GPU. What's taking my GPU? OBS. For what? For what? I can stream, bro. What are you doing? Why are you taking so much of my GPU here? Only 2.3%. What are you... Oh, GPU, not CPU. Whoa!
Enemy spotted A. Cutting their vision.
I have to actually lower it. Oh my goodness. This is not ideal. Whoa! I don't like that. I do not like that. Resolution, graphics quality. Let's lower it.
Enemy spotted A.
It's gonna be
Spike planted.
disgusting quality.
Suppress it.
Enemy spotted A.
They're suppressed.
Last player standing.
Hostile KIA.
It's not lagging for you though, is it?
It is a little bit. I don't know what it is.
One enemy remaining.
I was able to do it before. I don't know why it's not doing it anymore. Bro, I did the exact same thing as well. This guy killed it.
Taking one for the team.
Maybe because you're sharing on Zoom now as well.
I was sharing on Zoom anyways, wasn't I?
I don't think
I was. And you said it was lagging, but for me it wasn't. It was doing fine.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And I was like, oh.
Bien joué, KO. You are unstoppable, my friend.
It's not my FPS. It would drop, but... No, my FPS is 200, bro.
Yes. Enemy spotted A. Jets grounded. Reloading.
He's actually up.
Spike down B.
Or you.
One enemy remaining.
I need to find that out.
Target sighted B.
Here, they were not good enough.
What? Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
You see? They're flawed.
What's this guy saying?
Ordinary.
Oh, look at-
Where's the 360 no scope?
Yeah, bro. You don't do 360 no scopes in this game, bro.
Why not? Where there's a will, there's a way. Come on.
I suppose. Hmm.
Bad guy down.
Spike down A.
Enemy spotted A.
Even with lagging, bro, I still kill the guy.
Reloading. Still inside. Reloading.
Oh, he's not dead. What?
One enemy remaining.
I thought he was dead.
Out of charges.
Last player standing.
Apparently there's a new dessert shop in Worcester. Don't know if you heard about it.
Pig box.
Nah, it's another one. Little dessert shop.
Do you want to go?
I don't know. When I'm back in Worcester, I want to go. I
Calm,
wanna
calm,
see.
calm.
Little dessert shop. They've got some in different cities too.
Oh, do they? That's not bad. Get Bitcoin right now. My frames isn't dropping. Oh, it does drop. Huh. What a waste,
30
man.
seconds
I need to upgrade my GPU already.
Come on, bro, you gotta win this now. Even with the lag.
That's not me. That's not me.
Spike
Oh,
planted.
you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Don't need to say that, bro. You're dead, kid.
You dead, bro? What? What's going on? Imagine dying when you're lagging.
Imagine. Nah, I got a kill though. Get my task manager.
Imagine not getting 2 kills when you're lagging.
There's my GPU. See, GPU usage only 21%. Bro, I got plenty GPU. What's going on?
That's RAM, GPU.
Nah, GPU's got graphics. Memory 56, bro. I'm not bottlenecking anyway. I don't know what's making it lag.
Stay alive.
Valorant's only taking
I want their
11%.
life, not yours.
That's so weird. Is it my settings? Am I screwing at something on my settings? Try that. On plus boost.
I don't think hashtags on stories work, you know. think everyone's just
No,
on
not
Reels.
stories. No.
Everyone's on Reels. It used to work because what it used to do is, if you got to the end
Out
of
of
your
charges.
story, it just showed you random people. I think that's where you come up.
Reloading.
The only place I can see it happen is like in terms of recommending your channel.
Yeah.
Instagram would be like, oh, you using these hashtags. That's cool.
Don't peek. Don't peek, brother. Oh, he's dead. Damn. Oh yeah, let me try to stop.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Oh, that completely fixes it.
Still inside.
Taking it off Zoom.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh, it completely drops to 30 as soon as I do that. That's crazy.
Oh,
Crazy!
it's your boy Zoom.
Zoom shouldn't be doing that.
30 seconds left.
Oh, look at that flick, bro. Bro, you're seeing this flick, my G. Oh, damn. Crazy buttons.
Activating kill
If you
mode.
make over 450k in America, you're in the
Kill mode is
1%.
default.
450? That's quite a lot.
In
man.
the UK, it's like, no, it's low in like in terms of comparison.
Yeah.
In terms of when we think 1%, we think millionaires, but we forget that it's yearly income that's actual amount.
Yeah, but that's like insane income, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously. Like,
A year, yeah. That's,
you
that's
gotta be
insane.
some sort of athlete or entrepreneur. Like
That's not right.
That's what I make.
450. What's it in the UK? It's like 100, I think. Something like
Yeah,
that.
100k is your top percent already.
Mad, isn't it? When you think about it. 100
A little
already.
bit, yeah. Damn, bro. Not fully crossfired. Damn, I should have just teleported back anyways. I was being dumb.
Flash.
There. Enemy down.
Tango down.
Oh, I see what it is.
One
I
enemy
see what-
remaining.
I know why. I know why.
Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Enemy spotted B.
Cutting their vision.
Apparently, screen sharing on Zoom takes a lot of FPS. Apparently, I don't know.
They're starting to panic. I can feel
Does
their
anyone have
pulse
funds?
weakening from here.
Oh, it's dropping again.
Can I get a drop?
Here.
Can I get a drop? Keep them out.
He got jumped.
Someone's in attacker spawn.
Oh, say.
Removed.
Get out of my way!
Reloading.
Reaction time on fleek. Come on.
Jet grounded.
Come on. Peek. Okay.
Reloading.
Here.
Fire in the hole!
All set up.
Getting cold.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
Right here.
Oh, jeez. Even with a lag, I'm still killing them.
They want to dance? Ha, I'll lead.
Can I go?
What you say are so dead.
Enemy spotted A.
Peek, bit.
Loves his gun.
Nothing, buddy. Try again. Oh. Come on. Peek again.
Face your fear!
Reloading.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Last player standing.
I died. Wow, I'm lagging so badly, bro. I'm not even sharing anymore, am I? That's weird. No, I'm just lagging.
My power does not ebb. Ask for aid, and you shall receive.
Oh, I see. Alright. No, definitely not. Let's try that again. Bro, your face apparently makes me lag.
Really?
That's mad. Actually, let's try that. Let's try that. I'm gonna screen share, yeah, but take your face out.
That's peak. You just can't have my beauty on your screen.
Apparently not, bro. Try taking webcam off and see what happens.
I swear you were running it the other day.
I was. Ah, it's just a test. It's just a test. Oh my god, bro. It's literally.
It's still lagging on my screen.
It's literally your face. Can you see it?
Boy.
Bro. Oh, you're making...
Damn. Oh.
Oh my goodness, bro. What the hell? What? How did that happen?
Cutting their vision.
The quality of my face is just...
Bro, it actually is, bro.
Spike
The
plant.
I
quality
can't
of
handle my 4K face, bro. What's going on?
hell?
One enemy remaining.
What's your webcam, bro? 10K?
We out here in 10K.
Bro, why is your face like 10K quality, bro? Put on fragging as a chamber right
Use the spike.
Does it actually stop lagging now?
Yeah, completely stop lagging for you, bro. Like, you can see my FPS.
Try again.
Continuously, top left, you can see my FPS on there. 200.
Reloading.
This is high. This is on high.
We're the best. Don't any of
Today
you
we
forget
learned that Zoom is fucking up your...
Apparently people, yeah, webcam on there using Zoom.
Yeah, my last trade was Wednesday last week.
That's mad, actually.
Too long.
Oh crap. Oh my goodness, bro. Am I trash? Don't answer that. Excuse me, B. Hell no.
Get out of here. Here comes the party.
Target's attackers
Wait for me.
One enemy remaining. Spike down. Attacker spawn.
Reloading.
flashbang.
Oh, I tried to flick. I tried.
Every time.
When you try your best, but you don't.
Last player standing.
Bro, she's about to ace? No, she's about to get 4K. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, what a rat. Sage, what a rat. It's alright, that happens.
The symphony of death. Don't worry, you get used to it.
So even I've been like using my pistol half these rounds.
Reloading.
This guy just said Binance for some reason. I don't know what it is. He's trading, bro.
He knows what he's doing.
Damn it, man. I got confused.
Still in sight.
Oh dear.
Last player
I'm getting
standing.
destroyed.
Opponent killed.
Some of these skins are sick, by the way. I don't know if you've seen, but some of them are sick. So yeah, some people play Wordle. Nah, not us. We play proper games. If anyone
Spike
asks me,
down
what do you
A.
do on your free time? Show them this stream, innit?
3 down.
Yeah, this is what I do.
Yeah, this is what I do in my free time, bro.
That is
Nice
what
try,
you do
man.
now, isn't it? You trade and you play Valorant.
No, I learned, like, trade, then learn.
But that's what I'm saying, like
And then
trading
Valorant.
and gaming.
Yeah,
Can I
basically.
get a
Bro,
drop?
that's not a bad way to live, you know.
It's alright, yeah. It's chilling.
I don't condone gaming while trying to learn. As in, like, you know, while you're still learning, in the middle of learning, I wouldn't recommend
All set up.
playing.
That's not ready.
Yeah, because you're just gonna stop paying loads when you feel shit. You're not gonna learn more. You're gonna be like, I need to get some kills on Valorant. What's going on?
But I've already learned my stuff, alright, guys?
Yeah.
Reloading.
Gonna rob you of your time.
Oh my goodness. Am I crap? Yes, don't answer
Get
that.
out of my way.
Fire in the hole.
Hey.
Oh, I'm kind of low-key trash out here, you know? I was low-key better with my FPS low.
Someone's in attacker
Spike
spawn.
planted. Last player standing.
Alright, Okay, time to play properly now. No more
Last
playing
round
around.
before the switch.
Don't be cheap. Spend it all before it's gone.
Who's got money? No one's got money.
All 7.
You know, because I have a fixed lot size
Yeah.
and that stop loss on GJ was massive. Do you know how much I actually made today in percent?
How much?
15%.
What?
Yeah.
Joke's over! You're dead!
It's because I have a fixed stop loss. That GJ one was 13 pips.
15.
Yeah, I was looking at it. How have I made this much? But it's good. It's made back all the commission, all those spreads, everything. It's most of it.
That's mad.
Last player standing.
I say that, I still spent like 60% just this month.
Spike down A.
Wrong move.
Switching sides.
Deep breaths, everyone. Your hearts are.
So you're up 15.
For the day, yeah.
That's insane. Stop putting fixed lock sizes, bro. That could have been really bad, bro. You might have been up 15 by now, like, or like, you could have been down
Obviously, yeah, it's temporary, isn't it?
7.5%.
That's why I said I'm changing the strategy.
Yeah.
You can't calculate the stop losses that fast. It's,
No. That's fair enough. There you go.
2, 4, 6. Don't worry, I am aware of the dangers that possess.
I'm sure you are. I'm sure
I'm
you are.
very aware of
That's a
what
good
could have happened. Yeah, we don't put that in the highlight. We keep that up.
It's alright.
2, 4, 6, 2.
That for me.
4, 6, 8.
The heck? How did I not headshot Jet?
Healing you.
Yeah, so I should be up
You're done.
12% this month. I'm actually up 5.
I mean, 5 is 5. You know
Still
what I mean?
good, yeah.
Still good.
Insect.
Help's decent, you know.
Yeah.
2% risk. It's still like 6% with normal risk.
That's not bad at all.
That's pretty decent.
Last
spikes
player
down.
We
standing.
went through. I think there was
Spike
1 week
down,
where I had a
B.
losing streak.
Yeah.
But
Not
since
losing
then-
streak. It was like 2 or 3. It wasn't really a streak.
Yeah,
bro, like,
the max.
realistically.
No, what it was is, I'm looking now. I had 4 break evens
Mm.
and then 3 losses.
That's
So
what it was.
It probably felt like
30
a losing
seconds
It
left.
felt like you haven't won in a while.
streak. Yeah, I'll bet that.
That's what it felt.
But yeah, since then it was calm.
Yeah.
Pretty
That's
good.
Know what must be done.
Actually, you know what? No. There we go. I'm a chamber after all.
My ult's not ready. That works. A gift.
Mouse and keyboard gaming is difficult.
This should do.
You know, are you used to it yet?
What?
Are you used to it yet?
A little bit, a little bit.
Shutting them down.
Cutting their vision.
I have them. Here.
Light planted.
How the hell did I not hit you? Headshot. The hell?
Enemy spotted me.
Enemy spotted A.
The best.
Am I lagging for your screen?
One enemy remaining.
I mean, you're not sharing anymore, remember?
I am.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I've been sharing
you are
this
lagging.
entire time.
Yeah, you're lagging.
There.
Out of charges.
I have a charge.
Yeah, it looks like CSGO.
It is,
What a thing.
kind of, but with abilities. We lost that, or we won. Nice.
Spike has been detonated.
sir.
I'll shut them down. Until then, survive.
10 minutes left.
Should be done with the game by then. I'm only doing this because there's literally nothing. We can't. There's no more trades for us.
Yeah.
You've done your 2. My trade doesn't happen until the next 10 years. So.
The market's been rinsed for the week already.
Yeah.
Knife deployed.
Oh crap. I'm about to push real hard here. Real heavy, real heavy.
Take it.
Oh my goodness, bro. The aim is trash today. I can't lie.
Can't lie.
I can't lie, bro. The aim is kind of dead today. I'm normally better, I swear. Swear down. Come on, get the one tap headshot. Come on. The hell is this angle, man? We're playing like Rainbow Six Siege angles type thing over here, man.
Yeah, Rainbow's on another level.
Rainbow,
people like duck through like holes.
One enemy remaining.
bro, they hold like angles for days, bro. It's done. It's done.
Even death cannot stop me.
Okay, you know what I realized? Rainbow Six.
Satchel out.
You know in COD when you just sit in a room and you wait for someone to walk in.
Yeah.
Campers.
Human
Like,
brains are hard to
That
replace.
Rainbow's is the whole game's based on camp.
Yeah, but like it's tactical, isn't it? It's tactical.
Obviously, yeah.
Tactical as hell. Have you ever seen a chamber flank? No, but I'm gonna do it.
There's loads of one shots in Rainbow too, isn't there?
Yeah, one tap headshots. Everything's a
one
one
tap.
tap. Yeah, all guns are one tap. Here, it's this gun's a one tap. This one isn't. Only close range thing.
I guess it's more realistic.
All set up.
Get grounded.
Return to them.
Oh.
For you. Reload.
What the hell, man?
One enemy
There we
remaining.
go. Jeez.
Teleport's ready.
I know where you're going. Ratty. Bless you, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Spotted B.
You know when you sneeze in college, no one says bless you.
What?
When you sneeze in college and no one says bless you.
Oh, bro. Snakes, isn't it? They're snakes.
Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. I'm like,
They will
what?
celebrate
Bless
that.
myself. It's one of the. You just
I
bless
literally say
myself.
bless me, bro.
Yeah, same. I was like, bless myself. But you gotta look around you first, let the people know.
That's a good spot. That
My guy's
works.
doing magic tricks.
Reloading.
Why are you doing magic tricks?
Bro, what do you mean? I am the magic trick. Me playing right now is the magic trick, bro. Damn it!
Oh,
I didn't know he was gonna push through there, bro. Alright, I didn't.
disappear. That's the magic trick.
I didn't know he was gonna push like straight off the bat, bro. Like, what the hell? What kind of guy does that? See, that's what I was expecting, you know?
Come on, bro. These guys are playing at 9 in the morning. They ain't no regular players.
Yo, huh?
These guys are playing 9 in the morning. They ain't no regular players.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah, bro, they're insane players, bro.
These are the sweaties.
They really are. They're really on there.
Last player standing.
Ah. They're actually not that good as well. I know I'm doing 9 4.
One enemy remaining.
They're like mixed servers. People
What?
from all around the world.
Satchel
Or
out.
is it Europe only?
EU.
Grenade!
Maybe it's loads of kids. Like,
Out of
playing
charge.
stuff.
Oh, he actually did 360 though.
Holy shit. I thought you said it's not possible.
It is possible, but it just doesn't happen. It's a tactical game, bro. We don't do 360. This isn't COD.
Well, you
can't
just
respawn.
We just witnessed.
You're going to
You can't
scatter from my
respawn, bro.
stuff. Super easy to pick. Can I get a drop? Thanks.
He says as he respawns.
Yeah, after like a round.
Is this like search and destroy basically?
Yeah, that's basically what it is. S&D, bro. You are a proper COD gamer, aren't you? You're gonna get them in Modern Warfare.
You know what's so weird? I used to play it so much, and 1 year I just stopped playing, and I never felt a need. To play
Nah,
again.
same, but like, it's just
So
recently
weird.
because I got, yeah.
No, I used to play loads.
Get out of my way!
We all used to play. What was it? No Modern Warfare.
I was playing, what? Me, Advanced Warfare, I don't know. What was my, yeah, no, Modern Warfare was the last time I
Spike
played.
down A.
Yeah, bro. Did you ever play Gunfight?
Yes, yeah.
Bro, Gunfight is sick, man.
It's
If
the
you
one.
got your friends, search and destroy, Gunfight is
It's
sick.
the one, to be fair, it's the one.
Still in sight.
My guy just got killed anyways. It's funny.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, go on. Kill them all. Kill them dead, bro. Kill them dead.
The best loop.
Last player
Why
standing.
would you peek that, man? You're defending, and you haven't planted yet. Damn. Surely. Ah, too cocky, innit? Too cocky, lad. Too cocky.
Let's make a plan, then execute.
Get ready for this. I'm about to kill them all. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap over here, yeah? What I'm gonna do is... Here we go. Here it is. Come on. Show it. Yep, you. Yep.
Not your best.
Yep. Come on. Peek your head. Nice.
Teleport's ready.
Brother. Brother.
That's not ready.
You're gonna go through here, I'm telling you. I know you will. Oh, maybe not.
One enemy
I
remaining.
shot you. You should be dead.
Team
There we
A.
go. Good job, everyone. Good job. Last round.
Match point.
Their head is in the guillotine. Now pull.
Not get a win on team. Why not? Oh no, he's zero magic.
All set up. Zed's teleport's ready.
Can I get a drop?
What, so they combined Fortnite and Valorant?
Weapon
In we
here.
go.
That's how you
Basically, yeah.
CS:GO.
This should do.
Go on. Peek your head.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Peek your head. Oh, they peeked. Damn. My aim sucks.
I died so fast. What the hell?
I mean, my gun was a one-shot headshot. Like, one-shot kill, so all I needed to get was a shot, and then it would have died. I
Did he one shot you?
No, he didn't, man. Bro, I'm telling you, if you can get to play this game, you'd love to play. I'm not actually, no, you're more of a running gun player, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm kind of the game. I could get used to the whole tactical if I wanted to.
Yeah, I'm sure you could. Once you get your strategy down pack on October.
I literally won't have time.
Yeah, true.
There.
I don't got time, bro.
Last
The
player
holidays.
standing.
The holidays next year.
Holidays.
One enemy
You fought
remaining.
well. Your duty is not over.
Why did you get Oscar to say this to me?
He doesn't have a PC, bro.
Clutch.
Do you still play Apex with
Someone
him?
didn't
No?
defend your
Nah,
spot.
not really.
Hackers win. Last player standing.
GG, guys. So there you go. There's a W for us. Don't crack the game, but it's alright.
3 W's on stream.
3 W's on stream. I got my one.
Nice.
I got my one, bro. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see where Bitcoin is right now. So Bitcoin, you can see, I'm still wanting to price to go up to volume void, then potentially this daily level over here. Let me just get the daily level. There you go. So yeah, potentially this volume void over here, and then potentially up to this high volume node, for it to continue back down. You know what I spoke about earlier when I said, you know, if there's loads of volume here, and it tends to, and if it's a selling volume, what tends to happen is traders like to hold their positions, right? So once it reaches here, then expect price to go down. But yeah, I'm more likely to enter at this level bit here though, if it does give me the Wyckoff method, where it's, you know, to consolidation level, break down below, then I'm looking to sell. But yeah, it depends. But yeah, that's basically it for me. Anything else to say?
Nah. Nope. We are done.